everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my 2 signed duet albums. I've already looked at these, but I was so excited. I'm really happy with who I got in them. I have 2 of them. These are the It versions. I did buy the Do version, but I'm not going to unbox that. I'll show you the PCs. And I did order 2 accordions, and I think from now on I'm only going to order 1 because I got 2 of the same. I got 2 seungmin. What I already have seungmin, so I'll probably put 2 of them on Mercari without PCs. It won't be that expensive. But let's get into these. We're gonna do one at a time. If you notice, the setup is a little different. I'm trying something new. I have a whole new K-pop section and I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm really excited. I've been working on this for like a week now, just moving all of my albums, getting them in one designated area. And I kind of have them separated between Stray Kids and BTS. And then all my other albums are just by my desk. But let's open this up. So I showed this in my last video, so if you want like a if you want an in-depth video, I have it. But oh, seungmin, look at him, gorgeous. My bias is Han, and then it goes like Lino. I love Lino. I bought his magazine and I also want to do a video on that. This is the November 2025. I can't wait. But let's get into this. I was so excited. It's Bang Chan. Like, not my bias, but he is such a wonderful human being and I freaking love him. But anyway, let me get everything out. Did I put them all in the same album and just fuck all of this up? That just messed this all up. I feel like I put these all, because like I opened this on video with my sister and I think I put all of the PCs in the same one, and the signed stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited. Bang Chan! Oh my god, I did. I put everything in here. It is so thick. Okay, so in this one, I got this photo, and I think everyone gets this poster. And then in this one, the other one, I actually got the pink ones, and I have 2 of these, 2 of each, because I already bought 2 of the It versions. In my mind, I didn't realize the It version is what was coming signed. So, anyway, this is a chaotic video. I got Lino. Look at this. He's so beautiful. Now I have Minsung for this, so I want to get like frames or something. I did. I put all of the PCs in here. Guys, so here is one of the signatures. This is so grainy. I'll be right back. That is so much better. Okay, I had to grab my big light. But here is the one. Oh, I also did my nails and then they all fell off at work. I did my nails specifically to unbox this. Okay. I got Lino. I was so excited. At first we were like, is this Chan or Lino? Oh my god, he touched this. Lino touched this. Last time in Karma, I got Jisung, which is Han. And Han is my bias. And then I got Binny, and then I bought Lino. Oh my god, this makes me so happy. And then look at this. Look at this picture. He's stunning. Ah, my god. He is a beautiful man. Okay, I did. I put all of the PCs in here, so I'll just go through, gather them. Is this all of them? I know there's 2 pink. Okay, I'm missing. Is this all there is? No, I feel like I'm missing one. Oh, here's a little sticker thingies. No, this is it. Okay, I'm thinking of the other one. This one, I think, was this the Walmart exclusive? Is that why I bought this one the last time? So it had an extra photo card. But anyway. I got Han. I think I already got this one, but that's okay. Well, that light is like in the bad spot. But there's Han. He's so cute. Okay. Ian. I forgot I got Ian. I never pull Ian. I have to buy so many Karma ones for Ian because I never pull Ian. I mean, he is stunning. He's not baby bread anymore. I got Han's lenticular. I already have this one, but look at that. I love this. This is so cool. Seungmin! I also have him coming in a group order too. This is so cool. I like these. That one has a scratch on it. Could be my fault. Chan, I forgot it was Chan. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Okay, who's this one? Oh, it's Han. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought this was Benny when I first opened it. This is Han. Oh my god. I didn't know that. I don't know why. Why did I think it was Benny? I think I just saw this and just assumed like that kind of looks like Benny. But oh my god. Oh my god. I'll have to call my sister. Let's look at the other signed one. Lyrics. I got another Lino. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm hoping I can trade because I definitely want a Han one. So if you have a Jisung one and you want Lino, please message me on Instagram or something. One of them will be up for trades. But oh my god, that's insane. 2 Lino ones. That's hilarious too. I have to go get the other album. I got the Do version, but I want to show you what came in. These accordions. Now I have 3 seungmin. I don't know what is going on with JYP shop. I've seen other people have this issue too, where like they get sent the same freaking things. Ah, I saw it. All right, let's do the little ID photo first. Felix! He looks so pretty. And then like the stickers, look at the stickers. He's actually smiling. The stickers and then the ID photo. The ID photos look like mug shots to me. That is so funny. And then I got another Felix. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. All right. Benny, I do have this one already. I think I have another one that I can trade. Chan! It's so funny. These two are my sister's biases. I thought I pulled this one, but I'm gonna have to rewatch that video from the other day because I really thought I pulled this one. Seungmin. I don't know what they did with his brows, but I don't like it. But Seungmin's my guy. And then Han. I never pull Han and it's so crazy. Ugh. Look at him. And then I got these stickers. I think these stickers are new compared to the last one. I didn't have that chain. And I don't think I had that star in the last one. Let me go grab my other album because I want to show it to you. I'm really excited. I think I really like Do It. The only thing that made this whole thing stressful were the POG claims. But yeah, I'll be right back. Before I go and get my other albums, I was gifted these from Felin. It's a comic book and it's about cats who like turn into idols and they have to become like the best idol. But I believe you can buy these on their site. I'm not entirely sure, but they gifted all of these to me. There's like keychains. They're so cute. The book I believe comes out December 2nd. So when this video goes live, I believe you can get those books. Whoa, color change. What is going on? Anyway, thank you, Felin, for sending these over. They're really cute. Okay, I got the album right here. I have to turn my camera a little bit so I can stand off to the side because I keep bumping it and I know y'all aren't gonna like that. So let's see. Yeah, this comes in every single one. So I have like 4 of these. And it still comes with these, only 4, but ooh. So you get a mirror in this one, and this one I believe is Benny. I think that's what my sister said. You can do it. Oh yeah, because the O. Yeah, so I got Benny, and there is film on both sides. I'm gonna keep the film on there because I don't want it to get scratched. Like I'm probably gonna put it in a sleeve and put it in my binder, but I don't want it to get scratched. So I'm gonna leave the film on it. And then it comes with 3 photo cards. We're going to have to look at my binder because I feel like I have some of these. Benny and Hyunjin. I feel like I have this. I don't know. I feel like I'm going crazy at this point, or I've seen it so many times. Hyunjin and Lino. I do have this one. They're so cute. And then Han. Oh, Han with this freaking cowboy hat. What is going on? What is their theme with the cowboy hats? I don't get it. I mean, that is everything for this video. This was all from the JYP shop, or the Stray Kids shop. Never mind, Stray Kids shop. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!